Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Nico here, or better known as Slow F30. And in today's video, we are going to be installing my new mirrors on my 2025 Ninja 650. Before I get into this video, guys, sorry if I look like a mess. I just got back from riding and it was a little warm. I just did a video review of the NBT clothing hoodie. If you guys don't know, link in bio or description, I should say. You'll get 10 bucks off your order at nbtclothing.com. Definitely the way to go. Don't be squid and wear no gear. All right, everybody, in today's video, we are going to be installing the eBay special mirrors, and I'm just calling them eBay special because why would I pay $400 for these kinds of mirrors? The factory, or I shouldn't say factory, but the OEM $400 mirrors when I can just pay like 30 or 40 bucks and get the same thing. Now, however, everybody, I have heard before on the cheaper ones, they're not the actual manufacturer mirror options for those, that at speed they do tend to come up, so we'll see how that is. I'm gonna go ahead and do a full review for you guys. We'll install and review. I'll hop on the bike and go for a quick ride. I'm not gonna go too crazy on the speed because we are still breaking this thing in, but I'll just go up to at least highway speed, 60, 70 miles an hour, see what happens. So I don't know how good the lighting is, but this is pretty straightforward. Just a couple of hex bolts on the factory mirrors. Should pop right off, and then we should be able to put the new ones right back on. All right, buddy, so from what I can see, it looks like it uses a 4mm hex socket. So we're gonna go ahead and take this off really quick. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm pretty sure that's all you have to do. So we're gonna go ahead and get that done now. All right, so before I take off both mirrors and waste my time, I'm gonna go ahead and just take the one side that I took off, go ahead and fit it on. Actually, wait, this is the left side, hold on. Anyways, what I was saying is I'm gonna go ahead, which I already did, take off one side. I'm gonna make sure that this fits in the first place, and then I'm gonna take off the other side, because what's the point of wasting time? Now, everybody, if I'm being honest, I don't know what the exact torque spec is, if there is one, which I mean there probably is, so I'm just not gonna go too tight because I don't wanna break the factory windscreen or any of the plastic, so I'm just gonna get it on there to where, you know it's not gonna fall off. Hey guys, so far it's looking already mean with just the one side on there. Everyone made one fatal mistake. I did not tighten the bottom nut on this mirror. Alright, everybody, so we went ahead and got these installed. Now, I try to get the bottom nut as tight as possible, so maybe that's what people were talking about, how at speed it might fly up. But in the meantime, go ahead and fly this up. Satisfactory peels. Another satisfactory peel. Kind of satisfactory. Just a little bit there. I'm gonna hop on the bike now. We're gonna take it off for a ride, and I'll let you guys know how it holds up. All right, everybody, let's go ahead and get the 650 fired up. Still warm because I just got back home like 30 minutes ago. All right, everybody. So I did go ahead and get the like tint blue kind, which I think looks pretty fire. Do a little bit of maneuvering here around the beam with a broken front lip and a cracked bumper right now. I need to fix that ASAP. Recording, right? Yeah, we're still recording. So far, so good. So far, so good. Except the fact that you actually generally cannot see shit out of these mirrors. Now, I will say, I feel like that is literally the point of these mirrors. Well, I shouldn't say literally the point, but it's more of a stylish over function idea, which, I mean, I get it. I do. But, like, I genuinely cannot see shit besides my hands. So we're gonna be doing a lot of head looking. So I might rock these for a little bit, but who knows? I might change up the mirrors back to stock or something else again. Because, I mean, overall, the looks on these things, the looks are there. Looks are great, but I'm gonna have to do a lot of head turning to see if there's something behind me. I'm gonna go ahead and pick back up with you guys here once I get on the highway shortly. We're about to get on the highway here shortly, so we're gonna go ahead and see if these mirrors actually hold up on the highway. So far at highway speed, These mirrors have not moved at all. But again, this is just highway speed. This is not anywhere near what most sport bikes do. So honestly, I understand if they were to go up faster than this. It's gonna be a nice day out. It's a little bit chilly, but MBT clothing keeping me warm and protected. I have a hair that's tickling my forehead right now. It's pissing me off. We're still at highway speeds around 70 miles an hour, legal limit, and still haven't come up yet. Got me thinking how motherfuckers be doing wheelies on the highway at this speed, bro. Like, that is crazy to me. Woo-woo lights. I see popo lights. Damn, what happened? I hope they're okay. Y'all see me turning my head a lot more. I don't know how I'm liking these mirrors, man. I mean, they look cool, don't get me wrong, but like, you cannot see shit. If I'm not mistaken though, I do think that the package came with like a spacer, if that makes sense, like to put at the bottom to kind of push it out more, which I might install that. That might help my situation. Oh, and the sun is right up in my face. That is awful. I'm gonna go right here. I'm gonna hit that. I'm gonna hit that cut over. Excuse me, please. Thank you. That cop better not be turning around, bro. He better not be. I wasn't doing shit. I'm legal, I promise. Lube this chain when I get home, because I have not lubed it yet. I mean, it was obviously lubed brand new at the dealership, but I mean, like, since I've had it, which riding for about a week, 300 miles, so I think it's about time. Get some lube on there. Better, you know, better more than not enough. Dude, I don't know if I'm paranoid, but it's like I feel like I can't tell even if there's like a cop behind me now without making it so obvious I'm looking for one. Damn, how are you really gonna cut me off like that? That's crazy. I thought we was German brothers, man. I got a Beamer, man. That's one thing I noticed. I mean, I feel like everyone could say this about their own area, but dude, our area that we're in, just like, we'll just say Northeast Cleveland area, Ohio, bro, people are fucking ruthless when it comes to the road. Like, no fucks given at all. But yeah, overall, guys, so far, the mirrors, I mean, they look cool. Don't get me wrong, they look cool. But, functionality not really there. But again, I get it. Most people don't even really care about that. They just turn their head anyway. Me personally, not sure how I'm feeling about them, but we'll rock them for a few days and just see how I like it. Got some mini scooter things going on. Yeah. Anyway, y'all, I appreciate y'all watching today's video. New content coming soon, of course. And again, if you guys want some protective clothing that's not going to be uncomfortable, go ahead and check out MBT Clothing. Link in the description below. You will get 10 bucks off your next order. I appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Look at this fucking bullshit. What the fuck? Do a flip!